learn how to configure load testing in your Azure App Services web applications in this edition of Azure Tips and Tricks. To configure a load test in my Azure App Service application, I'd head over to my app and I'll type Performance. Under Development Tools, I'll select Performance Test. Since I don't have any tests already configured, I'll select New. Under Configure Tests Using, I'll leave this at Manual Test for now. I'll give this a name. Let's call this Load Test 1. I'll leave the location as it is, and I'll also leave the user load at 250 and the duration at 5 minutes. I'll go ahead and run the test. Now my test is queued up. Now since this is going to take about 5 minutes or so, I'll pause the recording and I'll come back to it when it's done. Great, and it looks like our load test is now completed. If I select the load test, I can take a look at some of the results. So I can see the amount of successful results we had, the amount of failed results we had. There's also this chart here that I could expect that will show me the average load time, the user load that was applied, and also the amount of requests per second that we're getting back from our website.